Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 22. I cannot believe it is day 22 already. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me for this COOKMAS. Couldn't have did it without you. For today's COOKMAS recipe, we're going to go ahead and whip up some chili, but not just any regular chili. First off, we're going to use turkey, and then we've got a secret ingredient, which is Dr. Pepper. So yes, you guys, we're going to make some Dr. Pepper turkey chili. So this is a recipe that I've done before, and it is a tasty way to add some flavor to that regular turkey chili, and I definitely think you guys are going to enjoy this one. So if you are ready to get this COOKMAS recipe started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that, you guys. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead, give me that COOKMAS present and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started.
Merry Christmas.
Okay guys, so this is the Dr. Pepper turkey chili. Now you might have saw some ingredients besides the Dr. Pepper that may have seemed unconventional for regular chili. By that I mean that ranch dry seasoning and the taco seasoning. But together these flavors actually all work to give you a very nice bowl of turkey chili. I definitely recommend this recipe, guys, and I really do hope that you give it a try. Don't be scared of the Dr. Pepper and some of the other ingredients that are in here. It's still very, very good. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried Dr. Pepper in your chili before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, and especially during this COOKMAS season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.